guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to makeup to fashion to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. Alright guys, as you can tell by the title of this video, stay to the end because some of the stuff I said throughout the video I kind of changed my mind on. So grab you some tea, girl, grab you a drink or whatever, whatever you need to keep you watching through this full video. Do that. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so I realized that I forgot to completely tell you about the collection. This is the Shayla X Dose of Colors full bridal collection. I believe Shayla created this collection kind of for her own wedding or inspired by her wedding weekend that she had in Cabo. So here it is on the Dose of Colors website if you guys want to go check it out and learn more about the collection. All right guys, so I have on my foundation and under eye concealer. Typically I do my eyes first and then do my face, but I decided to switch it up today. I have on the what is this? The MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 in NW46. And then for concealer, I have on the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC45. Under here, here, and down my nose, and then a little bit in my forehead. So we're gonna start with the Happily Ever After. As you guys can see, I've been using it quite a while. I've had it probably, I know, I've had it since October. This is the blush palette, blush and highlighter palette. I thought this was the eyeshadow, but since I already have it, I'm going to show it to you guys. I'll do two swatches. That is the blush in, let's see, the blush is S and L, and the highlighter is Les Get Married. Her husband, I think his name is Les. So those are the two there, and I will show you on my skin. The pink is not as clownish on my skin as one would think. It's wifey. Again, it's dirty, but it's really pretty. They all have like a nice rose on them. I guess I could have wiped them off, but let's just be real. They're going to get dirty. So this is actually my second palette. The first one they sent me, this color right here, was broken. So I actually have two palettes for the rest of one. So here we have On the Beach, Cabo, Vows, Destination Wedding, Seating Chart, Cocktail Hour, Dress Code, and Bouquet. I purchased this palette for the mattes only. I'm not that fond of the shimmers. They're kind of growing on me, but these two over here, Cabo and On the Beach, these two, they're a little chunky for my taste. And yeah, and the browns here, while they're gorgeous in pan, I feel like they don't look like this on my eyes. They look a lot deeper on my eyes. Like this one almost looks black on my eyes. This is a very true black, and so it's great, but if you don't like deep colors, I'm not sure this palette is for you. I do personally like deep colors, but it's not what I was expecting, if that makes sense. I honestly, if you have a palette that's neutral already, I would say skip this. Again, the blush and the highlighter and the lip is my favorite, but this is my first dose of colors as well. I wasn't 100% impressed. I think it's great for travel because I wore it to a wedding and it looked great. I don't know, I just had a different expectation of what I was going to get with the one I got. So I don't know. If you're trying to decide if you need all three things, I definitely don't think you need all three things, just in my opinion. So I'm going to go in with Bouquet and Dress Code. Dress Code. If you guys can see, I'm trying to do it, and I'm just going to do, and I have concealer on my lid. I probably should have put a powder on top, but it's fine. So as you can see, it's a lot darker. This is more of a brick red in the pan, but it's darker on my skin tone. I'm just going to do a very simple, just like a faux cut crease. Nothing wild. Again, this is Dress Code. Oop, I didn't mean to bring it down there, but we'll do that anyway. Try to do it on this side too. So I'm only gonna go like halfway across my eye. Doop. Doop. And it doesn't help, I don't have my contacts in. Then I'm gonna go in with, what is this? I'm gonna go in with Cocktail Hour here, very lightly, and kind of do like an ombre and brush it back into Dress Code. Oop. Brush it back. So it kind of has like an ombre effect. And I found a makeup artist, I think. I haven't done my makeup trial yet for my actual wedding, but I'm trying to decide. Well, I think I'm set on someone else doing my makeup. I'm going back in with the same brush that I use for Dress Code, and I'm just kind of try to blend these two together. And they actually kind of end up looking like the same color, which, you know what I mean. But it's not as dark on the up here. And then I need to blend that out with a clean brush, which I don't have. Let's see. Oh, anyways, like I was saying, I was thinking about doing my own makeup for the wedding, but then I'm like, I don't know, because sometimes it never turns out the way I want it to, but then when I'm not rushing, it turns out great. I'm definitely thinking I'm going to do my own hair. This is a cleanish brush. It doesn't have any of the dark browns on it, so I'm just going to blend the top out. It has a little bit of orange on there, but that's fine. Actually, it's not, the orange is not even coming off, so that's good. So I'm just going to blend that a little bit, just to kind of blend that first brown we put on, which I believe was Dress Code. Just gonna blend, and like I said, it looks so dark. It's very, very dark. I need to blend this in. Very dark. I'm trying to blow it out a little so it's not as harsh without taking too much off. And then I'm gonna go in with a flat brush into Bouquet, which is this little color here. We're gonna do a real simple eye. And there's a little bit of fallout on Bouquet. Oops, a little bit of fallout there. But nothing too crazy. But yeah, so I think I'm definitely gonna do my own hair, but I'm just gonna have someone do my makeup. If I have a trial in a couple of weeks, hopefully that goes well and I will hire that lady. I've had so much, y'all, trying to find professional people to do stuff is just wild. Like, people don't, like, as far as weddings are concerned, people don't want to get back to you. It's just, I don't know, girl. Customer service is eh. But you know, it's your wedding, so you want to have your makeup done professionally so it looks great in photos and stuff like that. But I'm like, I can also save some money and just do it myself. Yeah, sorry, I keep going in and out. Let's do a little bit more of Dress Code. A little bit more on the end. And then I'm going to put some of that tan color up here. And I haven't done my brows either. And honestly, sometimes I feel like I do the same eyeshadow looks. So it's like, whatever, girl. Like, something like this would totally be fine. Like, I guess this is considered soft glam. I don't know, y'all. Y'all tell me. But yeah, that's totally it for this one. Let me swatch. There you go. That's probably better. There we go. So these are the swatches of these right here. And then I'll do one more on this side. There we go. I think that's a little bit better. A little bit better. And those are these colors. The bottom row. Not the best swatch, but you guys kind of got a general idea. If you're in need of a palette or you want something more neutral, small that you can carry with you, I highly recommend this. But if you're just trying to get makeup, just get makeup, you can skip this. Totally skip that. And I did not have a pink blush like this, so absolutely loved this blush. I go in with this Kokie 618 brush. It's like a very dense blush, and see, it looks pink, like very bubblegummy pink in the pan as well as on my face, but when you blend it out, it just, to me, it gives that nice little subtle blush, and it looks even more dramatic on camera, but it's really not. I think it's so pretty. Okay, tell me in the comments below, do y'all do highlighter first then blush, or do you do blush first and then highlighter? I don't know, I go back and forth. And also, this is technically not a blush brush, but I like it because it gets a lot of product on, and I just like the way it looks. And where is my highlighter brush? Oh. And then we're gonna go in with Let's Get Married, just right here. I feel like you cannot go wrong. Now this highlighter is gorgeous, but like most of the girls, we have tons of highlighters already, so I don't know. But this is also just really good for travel, and I'm gonna go show you guys how this looks in the light as well, so you can see the full face in the light. I should have done the swatches in the light. I'm sorry, y'all. It's been a minute since I've done a makeup tutorial. Now, this is the kit that the lips came in. I still have this box because I was waiting to do it for this video, but I'm gonna throw this away after that. But the lip kit comes with this really pretty gloss, and this is Glass Slipper. This is Final Touch, and then the brown is She's Ready. Okay, she ready. So of all the three things, get this. This is what you need, girl. This gives you that girl lip look, and y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm not a huge brown lip liner fan, but I think this is exactly that look that I've been trying to achieve. And sometimes I do the liner after the lip, and then I just kind of pat around the lip. Sometimes I do liner after, sometimes I do lip first. It doesn't, honestly, really doesn't matter. I still get the same result. I might have to get another one of these because this is just too good. Too good. I kind of tap the lip and then like tap around. And honestly, this is supposed to be a long wear lip. So if you let it set, it will be a little longer lasting than if you just go straight to the gloss. Since we're doing the review, I'm going to show you guys the gloss because it's really pretty. But I don't like to use it on my lips because I don't want to mess up the doe foot. I just like it being clean like that. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my lip. I mean on my finger, and then just... It's just a very subtle... It gives me that other brand, I'm gonna say it gives me the Fenty Glow kind of look, you know. So this is our face. I need to go put my brows on, girl. All right, see you in a second. All right, girls, so this is what makeup Shayla's eye palette, blush palette, and lip palette is giving in the daylight. Okay, it is giving. I switched my shirt up for y'all and my earrings. It is giving me bridal. Okay, it is giving me hello. Okay, like somebody bride. Okay, and y'all, I was low-key talking trash about the palette, but now I don't know, I'm like, should I do my own eyeshadow? I don't know, girl. Like, I think it's the MAC. The MAC is really making the makeup pop. Oh, and let me show y'all this before. This is totally vlog style now. I read about this. You can't read it, but it's Smashbox Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. This stuff, girl, like I feel like it literally made my skin looks amazing. Amazing. All right, guys, so I am I'm done. I just want to show you guys this quick look. These quick lips. Okay, you know what? I take everything back that I just said. Take it all back. If you guys are in need of some new makeup, neutral palette, definitely check out the Dose of Colors Makeup by Shayla collaboration. Again, although I know what I said, if you had to pick, if I personally had to pick, again, one out of the 3 things, if I couldn't afford or didn't need, which I didn't need the full 3 items, definitely the lip is where it's at. The lip, I would go in order. I would do lip, the cheek palette, and then the eyeshadow palette last, because I don't know, but I'm just loving the eyeshadow today. Anyways, all right guys, I've been talking enough. Hope this video wasn't too long. I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.